Alright, do you see this? This is a clover. It's kind of cool because there's actually like a perfect triangle on it, if you can see there. But what's even more astounding is my dog hates clovers. Sadie, come here. Let's show them how much you hate clovers. Sadie, come here. Come here. What's this? Look at a clover. Sadie, look. Do you like clovers? You don't like them, do you? Hold on. Do you want a clover? Oh, no, don't bite it. Don't bite it. No. Don't bite it. No. Don't bite me. You don't like it, do you? Come on. Hey. Show me your angry face. Hold on, Sadie, look. Sadie. What's this? Sadie. Hey, psst. Look, what's this? Hey, Sadie, what is it? What's this? Oh, you do not like the clover. Hey, psst. Look. Sadie. You can look at me, it's okay. I know you don't like them. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello? Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you want a clover? Do you want a clover? Want a clover? Hello? You're being awful rude, Sadie. Just ignoring me. Excuse me. What's this? Go on. What is it? Ow! Well, it's no longer a clover. Sadie. Oh, you delinquent. Here, look. Clover? 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 No clovings? Fine. I'll just put the clover on your head. Look, it's Clover Dog. Thanks for participating in our experiment, Clover Dog. There's a clover on your head still. It's on your head, Sadie. Ooh. That's right, kill it. Have it. Get it. Have it. Yeah, you love it. You love it. Look at that tail wag. You love it. Sadie, wag your tail. Wag your tail. Good girl. That tail wag. That's right. Crunch that, Clover. Now wag your tail. Wag your tail. Oh, God. You don't listen, do you? Okay, 3 minutes. That's plenty of time for Clover Dog. Goodbye.